I'm Kathleen from College Bike Shop in Lansing, Michigan. I finally have some Honda Navis to show you. The Honda Navi has gotten a ton of press and praise. It is super accessible, based mostly on the price point, but also on the ease of ownership. The retail price is $1,807. This is a little misleading though. The out-the-door price varies greatly depending on where you're shopping. But in this dealership, a 2022 Honda Navi is $2,700 out the door. My first thought after sitting on this is that it's not as cramped as it looks like it might be. We see this with other bikes in the mini moto segment also, like a Grom feels much bigger than it looks. The foot pegs are further forward than I would have thought, but it's not uncomfortable. The handlebars feel good. The mirrors are maybe a little low, I'm not sure, but that would be an easy fix. For reference, I'm 5'4" with kind of long legs. The Navi is 110 cc's, gets around 110 miles per gallon, and goes a little over 50. I got up to 53, but I had to work for it after about 46. That could improve as it breaks in a little bit. This is fully automatic. There's no clutch, no shifting, but it's still not a moped. It requires a motorcycle endorsement and license plate in Michigan. The colors are super fun and appealing. It has some great features. It comes stock with a center stand, steering lock, parking brake, and a backup Kickstarter. Under the seat, there is a helmet hook holder, a document compartment, and a toolkit. It also has a super large luggage box right here underneath the gas tank. The display is pretty basic with the speedo, odometer, fuel gauge, high beam indicator, and a turn signal indicator. This motorcycle is carbureted and has drum brakes. That's pretty basic technology, but it works great and works for the price point also. I just received 4 Navis, but most were pre-sold. I have one Grasshopper Green available if you're interested, $2,700, financing, delivery available. I'm going to do a video tomorrow, hopefully going over my first thoughts and delivery instructions with the information that you should know when you purchase a new Navi. If you have enjoyed this content, please subscribe. Thanks again for watching.